YouTube. So yeah, just a bit of a HQ Hold'em, few spot repairs really. Got the DV1 cranking. I wasn't even going to make a video on this, but then what happened is this gun was like leaking out here, and I was like, oh no, am I going to have to give a negative review? But it turned out it just needed a clean out, and then I'm like, well, I've got the camera in here now, I may as well just make a video. Nothing that special, this job here. As I said, wasn't even going to make one. Jimmy, what are you doing blends on quarter panels like that? I know what you're gonna say. Well, some people. How dare you do what the customer asks of you? Save them a few dollars on a car that he's going to sell. How dare you, Gunman? How dare you do what your boss tells you to do? Yeah, you can see here, I noticed it was like building up. Like, what the hell is going on here? Yeah, must have just been a little bit of clear, because I've used this to clear last time. But must have been a little bit of clear on this. Oh, the DV1. I'm glad I don't have to give this any negativity. I came up with my own little way of making a HP red out of a non-HP red. So HP is like high power, I guess, high thickness, whatever it means. It's like a stronger red. There's like two reds there, 861 and 561. 561 is like a weak one and 861 is a strong one. So I just swapped them out, but put a little bit less in so it didn't mess with the mix too much, if you know what I mean. Like I didn't mess with everything else that's in there. And even then, it's still, have a look at how bad that's covering. I can't see any reason why anyone would even ever want a low power red. I don't even know why they make it. Let alone make all these formulas with it in there. Yeah, one other thing about this gun that I will mention that you probably want to keep in mind, you don't want to keep the fluid like fully out, like so it's about to drop out, because this thing here, if you have it like right out there, it feels like it's not like very tight on those threads. So I actually just knocked it and just about lost my spring and that back part, so just wind it in a few turns. Yeah, just wind it in so it's still full fluid, but it's still in a few turns. I don't even turn that pressure right down, just load it up. Yeah, so I've decided this thing's just going to be my base coat gun from now on. I'm going back to my Lotus, been loving that thing. Well, I decided that because the Vilbus said this is a base coat gun. So I'll respect their wishes and use it for base coat. Although I have used it for clear a few times and it actually handles clear really well. But I have been missing that Lotus a little bit, the Supernova, I must admit. Such a sexy beast. I just want to get my hands all over you and get you wet, baby. Oh, you sicko, Johnny. How dare you? Dirty, dirty man. So we've got to spray the inside of the Ute crate, or the bed they call it in the USA. We've got to do that with some Raptor liner. Might do a video on that, why not? I don't know, whatever. Might not. We've actually got some footage of me spraying some tintable Raptor liner. Been meaning to make a review on it, but yeah, it is. You never get the time to do all the fun things that you want to do. Friday afternoon, 3:30, 1 hour until we get to go home. School's out soon, mate. Woo! And summer's on the way. It's officially spring here in Western Australia. So yeah, we're the opposite of you guys up north in the northern hemisphere. As you guys come into your winter, we come into our summer. Woo-hoo! I reckon one more wet coat will get us there. Then I'll go out, I'll give it a good 10 minutes because I've slammed this base coat on pretty heavy. And mix some liquid glass up, baby. And slam that on with my Lotus. Best looking spray gun in the biz. Sorry to Velvet's DV1, you tried your best, but you just don't look quite as good as the Supernova. In fact, it looks like you really tried to look like the Supernova, didn't you? Oh, Johnny, you're an idiot. Yeah, I know, but I'm cool with that. You get a laugh out of it, that's all that matters. It's actually the kind of person I am. I'm more than happy to like make a fool out of myself for a cheap laugh. The way I see it is like, if you're laughing, you're in a good mood, and if I can make you laugh, well then, why not? If you're sitting at home thinking, this guy's off his head, he's been sipping way too many paint fumes, mate, and that red paint, that must get him really going. Yeah, why not? Gotta have a laugh. Just like my little brother on the red cordial when he was a kid. Johnny on the red paint fumes, mate. Whoop, whoop. That's covered. It's gonna take a good 10 minutes to splash off, I reckon. Alright, Gunners, I'll see you soon. We'll do these blends, we'll do big fade outs on the quarter panels. Fuck yeah! Woo! Whoop, whoop! Get it back in, man. Let's paint some shit! Woo! I don't know about you, but I'm excited! Oh, this guy's nothing good, isn't it? Oh, mate, have a look at that! Woo! That's the way to go, man! Supernova Lotus Edition! Where have you been all my life, baby? I could have been getting millions of views all these years. That's a bit of an in-joke with myself. It's like every time I put this spray gun in a thumbnail, it's like unlocked killer views on YouTube. Because we all love looking at this sexy goddamn face, mate. This guy's up his head. You gotta stop drinking coffee, Gunny. Yeah, it hits me hard. You're crazy enough without the coffee. So yeah, I'm just going to put one coat on these inners. I went liquid glass 5% reducer. hard to paint. You get that wet in there? Oh yeah, of course I got it wet. It's wet as a shag, mate. Have a look at that. Hope I've got enough colour clear here, goddammit. Don't run out. I don't want to have to go back out and mix more up. I only mixed up 400 mils. It's about right. Yeah, so I've got a couple of little fade outs to do over there. We'll get the clear down on the rest of the job first. We'll do the fade outs last. What a beast of a gun, man. It really is. Can't believe it. But yeah, what a weird gun to set up. What a weird gun. I never liked them that much when I first, well I was like, what the hell is this thing when I first used it? And then improved it by winding the fan right in. The truth is I still haven't came in quite enough. So I go right in and then out, 1 3/4 turns. Full fluid, 2 bar. Are we going to have enough? It's going to be close. It's going to be really close. The gunny's a wizard. Woo! We ran out! Sir, I got a trick up my sleeve yet. Oops. What are you doing, Gunny? Calm down, mate. We'll be able to fade that in. Hopefully you didn't sit there without going anywhere. AK350 Chromax fade out thinner. I don't want to take this lid off because last time I did it started leaking. These bloody A&I lids, man, they are garbage. I swear, they're really crap. Oh, I'm going to offend this one guy. Oh man, Muhammad something, he just wouldn't shut up. I ended up deleting him off my main channel because it's all he ever said. I made one comment about those cheap Harbour Freight $10 spray guns being garbage. He just kept going on about me calling it garbage. And then I even said, yeah, okay, sorry, I'll be a bit more careful the language I use, you know, because for you it makes, you know, might be your livelihood. And he just kept going and going every time I uploaded a bloody video. Shit, man, I get the point. Get over it, mate, build a bridge. He just started going a bit dry around there, but we'll wet that back up with some of this fade out. Run the buff over that, mate, she'll be sweet as. So the reason I did it this way, in this gun, is because it's kind of like stepping out your blend a little bit. You first got a little bit of clear in there, and then we'll go straight fade out thinner after. Sort of like going from full clear down to just thinners. Down this little A&I R150, such a great little gun, just let down by those garbage. Oh no, I'm not allowed to say garbage, am I? Muhammad. Shut your fucking mouth, mate. Bitch, shut the fuck up. Gabby swearing and carrying on. Yeah, I've had so many coffees today. Oh, it's Friday, mate. Let me have my fun. No, that actually looks quite good. I'm pretty happy with that. What a gun, mate! Have a look at that. Oh, what a gun. What a clear. Just what a everything. Oh, what a. I didn't even realise what I was just doing there. So we'll rip that off, help that edge melt in. We'll do a little buff up through there. It actually faded out quite well. Rightio gunners, we'll have a quick look at the finished product, and I'm going to have to go clean that gun out. I actually got a run in this job that I painted this morning. Really fine run, just under the door handle, so I'm going to go and polish that out. What are you going to do, bitches? Gotta love that shit. Rightio gunners, see you in the next one. Gunman out. Woo! Paint some shit.